Hello, I'm Selena from Amitime. Welcome to our product introduction video. This video will give you a sneak peek at the new feature of SU fan coil unit. One of the standout features of the SU fan coil unit is ultra-thin design. The thinnest part is only 130 mm, and the whole unit weight is 11 kg, harmoniously blending into your home decor. The second standout feature is incredibly quietless. We take care of the configuration and loads of unique technology features to deliver a quiet living space. The third standout feature is the touch operation and the free use of the control panel. When the sleep mode is turned on, it ensures a good night's sleep. One-click power shutdown when it's going out. Save energy for the whole day. The SU fan coil unit can be used together in a variety of heat sources, such as boiler, heat pumps, central heaters, and other types of heating sources.